Hi students, I told you guys that I would make you a quick video to show you how to make your own copy of the slides for interviewing your character. So this is going to be real fast, just going to show you what to do. First, click and open the slide from the hyperdoc. Then on your end, you're not going to be able to edit this. So you go to File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. Then you put your name here. So you can change the title, and let's say it's Cynthia. Interview with your character, you click OK. Now it's going to open it up in a separate tab. So there's your title. You can get rid of your old one. And then in order to copy the link, you just click Share over here, the yellow button. Get Shareable Link. Copy. And you go back here. And if you click on the link, the hyperlink, just once, you'll be able to click on this pencil that says Edit Link. Then you can erase the link that's attached and do Control V, which will attach your hyperlink that you copied over here into this hyperdoc. Then you click Apply. And now when I click it, after you turn it in, I see that it's Cynthia's version. So I'll be able to read your own interview with a character that you set up. If you have any questions or problems, just let me know. You can always just share that slide separately if you have trouble adding it as a hyperdoc. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.